talking about the country of Israel, a beautiful site called Rujum el-Hiri on what's today occupied Syrian territory in Golan Heights. Here we can see 5 circles. They used volcanic stones, 42,000 tons, to make those circles. Until it was under Syrian government, they haven't done any serious effort to find out more about this site. Even Israelis, who have excellent archaeology, they don't have the answers because there are no artifacts or the organic material that can help them date this structure. In the middle of the structure, there is a small room. You get in there, sit down, you feel perfectly safe. It's the ideal place to connect with the past through the meditation. In the last years, I've started doing focused meditation on the sites like this one here, where we don't know the answers. Asking the questions, who, when, and why. As soon as I started meditating, I was starting getting the answers. So the story goes like this. 5,200 years back, there was a settlement, a village, to the north from the stone circle. And people were getting sick. They were getting diseases, livestock, cows also. So people talked to their shamans, the spiritual leaders, and asked them what was happening. The shamans had their ceremonies. They invited spirits of nature, and they got the answers. They were told that there was underground water stream going under the village. When water moves, it releases the energy, and that energy is not good for us humans. We can call it negative energy. If you are exposed for the longer time, you're going to get sick 3 years, in 5 years, in 10 years. And the shamans were instructed exactly what to do to neutralize this negative energy. They were told to build a stone circle from energy-potent material. So they found volcanic stones, volcano, old material with the iron content. They made the first circle. They neutralize negative, transforming it to the positive energy. And then, when you make concentric circles, odd number, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, when they made 5 circles around it, they amplify this good energy. And after that, the village started to prosper. They built another one, and another one, and another one. And the era of peace lasted for 1,000 years. And then the conquerors came, they killed the priesthood, and they forbid people to come to this place anymore. We discovered entrance to the second level tunnels.
Jsme objevili vchod do tunelu na druhé úrovni.
15 meters below existing tunnels.
15 metrů pod současnými tunely.
But the tunnels are also filled with the material.
Ty tunely jsou ale také vyplněny materiálem.
We started cleaning them this year.
Začali jsme s čištěním a s výzkumem.
And this entrance is part of the new park that we opened this year.
Tento vchod je součástí nového parku, který jsme letos otevřeli.
And we started applying the same elements like ancients.
A začali jsme tady aplikovat ty stejné prvky jako starověcí lidé.
For example, we made those 3 stone circles.
Například jsme vytvořili tady ty 3 kamenné kruhy.
Why 3?
Proč 3?
Odd number is the number of sacred geometry. 3, 5, 7.
3, 5, 7, to jsou čísla posvátné geometrie.
We have chosen the most potent location in the park.
Vybrali jsme si tu potenciálně nebo nejsilnější lokaci v parku.
Underground waters.
S podzemními vodami.
We used minerals.
Použili jsme minerály.
We placed quartz crystal below every stone.
Pod každý z těch kamenů jsme umístili krystaly křemíku.
To amplify the energy.
Abychom posílili energii.
The circle number 3 is bigger than circle number 2.
Kruh číslo 3 je větší než druhý kruh.
For 1.618 times.
That's phi.
Yes.
Okay. Takže jsme jej zvětšili v poměru phi 1,608.
Number phi, which is the golden mean.
Které představuje zlatý řez.
Number 2 is bigger than number 1 for 1.618 times.
Číslo 2 je větší než číslo 1 zase v stejném poměru.
So, golden mean is part of the sacred geometry.
Takže zlatý řez je součástí posvátné geometrie.
And as such, it amplifies the energy.
A jako takový zesiluje energii.
So, what do we have here?
Tak co to tady máme?
Before we come to the circles,
než přijdeme k těm kruhům,
we had gentlemen measuring our aura fields.
necháváme měřit naši auru pole.
It's not just first aura field, but 7 energy fields total.
Tady mluvíme ne o jednom poli, ale o několika polích.
It is between 5 and 10 meters in average.
V průměru se jedná asi o 5 až 7 metrů.
We enter the circle.
Poté, co vstoupíme do kruhu,
go clockwise.
Postupujeme po směru hodinových ručiček.
Clockwise, we're receiving energy from the planet.
Protože to je směr, kdy získáváme energii z planety.
Spend 5 to 10 minutes.
Uprostřed strávíme 5-10 minut.
Get outside.
A potom vycházíme ven.
Measure the aura.
Opět měření aury.
40 meters.
A dostaneme se na 40 metrů.
80 meters.
80 metrů.
125 meters.
125 metrů.
And we named it the aura field amplifier.
Toto jsme pojmenovali posilovačem pole aury.
Like the charger.
Je to jako nabíječ.
So, we apply the same element, we get the machine that works.